Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdurrahim from Boys Higher Secondary School, Tartpura. Today I am going to start new chapter, the important chapter of economics related to 11th class, that is poverty. What is poverty? Meaning of poverty? Poverty implies inequality to get minimum consumption requirements for life, health, and efficiency. I will repeat, poverty implies inequality to get minimum consumption requirements for life, health, and efficiency. Poverty is the inability to fulfill the minimum requirements of life. The minimum requirements include food, clothing, housing, education, and health facilities. If these minimum needs are not fulfilled, man undergoes pains and sufferings. There is loss of health and efficiency. As a result, it becomes difficult to increase production or to get rid of poverty in future. Poverty and low level of output start chasing each other. A country continues to be poor simply because it is poor. Poverty breeds itself or multiplies itself. And relative poverty refers to poverty of one set of people in relation to the other set. It refers to the poverty in relation to different classes, regions, or countries. The country or class of people whose level substance is low is treated as poor or relatively poor in comparison to the country or class of people having high level of subsistence. According to the report published by UNO, these countries are considered relatively poor where per capita income is less than $1 per day. Less than $1. Less than $1 पर डे. ये सर्वे के मुताबिक पूर माने जाते हैं यूएनए सर्विस के मुताबिक. In India, per capita is nominal terms as per World Bank data is about 1,582 crore, $1,582 per annum. Dollars per annum. As such, India ranks low even among the poor countries. Per capita income even of the countries like Egypt, Sri Lanka, and Pakistan is higher than that of India. Thus, India is one of the poorest country of the world. And this relatively poverty is also interpreted in terms of inequality of income within the country. For example, in India, share of 4% of low, 20% of low income group of people in the national income is barely 8.1%, while that of 20% of high income group of people is 45.3%. In terms of unequal distribution of income of the people of an area, poverty is often measured using the concept of Lorentz curve and Gini coefficient. These are discussed already. And this absolute poverty in India, the concept of poverty line is used as a measure of absolute poverty. In India, the concept of poverty line is used as the measure of absolute poverty. Poverty line refers to the cut-off point in terms of per capita expenditure that divides people of a region as poor and non-poor. In India, persons who spend rupees 816 16, 816 on region as poor as non-poor, 816 consumption on consumption in rural areas, and rupees 1000 in urban areas per month are treated as those below the poverty line, based on the new official poverty line and 2011-12 poverty rate in India is estimated below 21.9% in terms of the total number of absolutely poor. 21.9% in India covers over 50% of the absolutely poor in the world. Now, poverty line is that line which expresses per capita average monthly expenditure by which people can satisfy the minimum needs. People below this line are regarded as poor. Now, dear students, these meanings are, we can say, definitions. Hope that you understand, and inshallah tomorrow I will go ahead. Assalamu alaikum.